Hi guys, it's windy as hell, as you can hear. Hopefully you can hear me. It's a Sunday evening, it's about 5 o'clock, and I've finally got my arse into going to the gym. It's freaking windy out here, as you can tell. I'm on this beautiful day. You can see in the background the blue sky. But yeah, it's a cold chill. When the wind's not there, it's pretty warm. But like I said in my video this morning, I went to work, did a demo, pretty successful. I think we did really well out of it. But I was supposed to have gone to the gym straight after, but I just couldn't do it. And the annoying thing is, I have to go. My subway, my train line goes right past the stop that I need for the gym. But I'm basically only going once a week at the moment. I just can't get my arse into it. I mean, I've had almost 2 months off, and I'm just struggling to get the energy, the enthusiasm. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know why I'm feeling like this. I'm just really struggling for energy at the moment. I hope it's just. I mean, I'm working a lot. Somewhere along the lines, I seem to have slightly turned into a workaholic. So, when I finally get into a situation where I have more rest, I seem to have ended up gaining a shitload of, load of freaking private students now. Good money, rich people. So, charge some money. But, I don't know, maybe it's that. Might have changed the season, but I don't know why I'm struggling to get my ass into the gym. But I took a chance. I thought, oh hell, I'll go home, because I could not get myself into it. When I got home about 1 o'clock, probably, maybe a bit later, I just chilled, watched some TV for a few hours, had something to eat. Somewhere along the lines, I started getting the right attitude that I needed to go. So I think part of me wonders maybe psychologically I've got issues doing it because my back is an issue. I'm gonna do a lot of things I can run about, but there's a certain bending position, and I can't tell you exactly which part it is, but it seems to. And the worst one is for doing shoelaces. When I do shoelaces, obviously you've got to bend in a specific position to do it, and I get a sharp jolt, goes straight up my spine. It's definitely deteriorated over the years, over the time I've been here. Like I've said before, maybe it's because I've got collapsed arches and it's just pushed it out of place, even though I've bought some good arches in my insole to help push it up. Obviously it's not correct for my feet, my size, but obviously you really need to go to a specialist and get one properly made for you. But yeah, so I'm walking now, feeling okay, but I seem to quite often, sometimes I can get away with it, not have a problem. But I think that doesn't help. Obviously, you go to the gym, you get changed and that, and it's just putting those shoes on. I think that's messing with my head a bit. But, yeah, if any of you guys got any ideas, please let me know. But I seem to have lost movement in the lower part of my back. I can't seem to have to bend like I used to. It feels more seized up. But it's weird, like I said, I can run around, do a lot of things without any issues, but it's just a certain point. I know I once got told I got a bulge in my disc and a potential compressed disc. So obviously there's certain times where it'll flare up I think it gets swollen a bit more and starts to push on the nerve. And I have to take like ibuprofen, which helps calm it down, and that seems to be alright then. But yeah, it is frustrating at times. But there you are. Again, it's a nice evening. Good time. Ooh, nice car. Good time to go for the gym. Right. But anyway, Yvonne's working at the moment, so she's not going to be back until I think 8 o'clock or something. So yeah, all by and large, all going well. I said, if you like what I'm doing, oh, by the way, just before I say it, check out the bikes. The sea of bikes. This goes on and on and on. Crazy, eh? Anyway, if you like what I'm doing, go to the like button, press the like button, offer to pay his water bill, and then tear the check up. And press it and whack that subscribe button. I need that subscriptions. Alright, see you later, guys. Cheers.